Mr. Shen, I have a question now. My client gave me this sample line. This thread is very short and has a lot of bifurcation. He says it's too much of a hassle to hand wrap, and he doesn't want to lose the order. Is there any way we can do this?
You need this machine for this thread.
Is this it?
Yeah, because it's more flexible.
Because it's a very short line, and then there's a lot of splitting at the end, and it's wrapped on both sides very close to the connector. Can you do it?
Sure.
Then you show us, okay. So where is this key point? How do you secure this position?
Let's take this as an example. It's only about 15 to 20 millimeters away. We'll demonstrate at this distance.
Okay, then you show us. I want to show our customers that our machines can do it. How does this ensure accuracy at this distance?
This type of wire usually has a sleeve on it. Use the sleeve as a marker. I'll break this out here. This place over here. Fold it over like this.
It really can be wrapped up short. And it works so well, too. Then I'd like to ask, it's so short, how can it be so close?
We can stop any time. It stops as soon as I release the pedal. No matter how fast it goes, it stops when I let go of the pedal.
Then this machine is suitable for this kind of short with many bifurcations.
Because this machine is more flexible. It can be stopped at any time. For example, I'm going to stop here. Then, I can stop whenever I want.
So what's the speed of this machine?
This machine has speeds from 1 to 10. Let's say I set it up in first gear. It's slow. I'm setting it at 10 speeds. The speed of this setting depends largely on your proficiency level. The more skillful you are, the faster you go.
So what's the applicable length range for this machine?
General line length up to 500 millimeters. It's got some splits in the center that would be perfect for a machine like this.
Does it have a wire diameter range?
The wire diameter range is from 3 to 25 millimeters.
How do you control the ratio of tape wrapping?
These controls are pulled by hand. Pulling fast or slow, thick or thin thread. I can pull faster if it's thick, but you'll have to slow it down a bit. The thinner the thread, the more tightly wound it is.
Okay, thank you.